Welcome back to the Davy Brown 990 restoration. Those of you new, my name's Barry. Today we're going to get the 3 broken studs and the 2 stuck frozen studs out of this casting. The 3 broken ones we're going to have to drill out, so we're going to go down through the middle. We're going to try with an easy out stud extractor, see if we can get them out that way first. I don't think we're going to be able to though, because the size of the bolts, somebody sheared them off previously, so I would imagine they're pretty well stuck. So I'm not expecting this to be easy. I'm expecting to have to drill these out right till it just touches the thread in the casting, and then we're going to have to try and either knock the remaining metal work out, or we're going to have to go in with a tap and try and clean it out. Either way, it's got to be fun today, isn't it? Right, let's start, guy, getting comfortable and off the floor, eh? Nice day today. A little bit of a breeze. We might get a little bit of wind noise now and again. Right, so 1, 2, 3. That one looks a right bonny mess. Let's go for the easy one first. This one's flat on the top. I'm going to give this a bump. Right, let's find out, and first of all, how deep the holes are. Whoa. 1.6. They're a good depth, aren't they? Let's just hope that the bolts aren't 1.6, huh? Right, let's give this one a bit of a tap. See if we can jar the threads a bit. It's amazing how much that GoPro switches itself off. Right, let's have a look in here. Coming to the middle, near enough. Put a good size centre punch down the middle. Start off here with a 3.5 and work all the way up. They don't seem that hard actually. So you can keep the drill away from the mic today, eh? I wish we knew how big these bolts were. Touch of jungle juice in there, eh? Right, now let's go up a size. There's our lovely little starlings having a sing song. Let's go up to 7mm, eh? This is a right hand drill. Sometimes buy left hand drills, because sometimes, just like it did there, sometimes it'll bite, and if it bites and the stud isn't in that tight, there is a good chance that that will unscrew it itself. We'll just get a little brush. As I say, the size of these bolts and the fact they've sheared tells me they're in pretty tight. I think that's the bottom there. Yes. As I said, that's an easy out, that's a stud extractor. Got a left hand thread on it. In all my years of experience in the engineering world, I have never been successful with an easy out unless the damn thing wasn't really tight in the first place. Right, let's give this a blow. See how deep we are in here. .06. Right, I don't think we're through the bottom of that broken off bolt yet, stud, whatever. So let's go back down, see if we can get through the bottom of it. Well, we're through the bottom now, that's it. Now, we'll have a look. I think we could tap that out of there, but we'll take a bit more meat out the bottom. Give it a blow. You can see that where it's starting to break away there. I'll just try this. It might work, but as Campbell says, what you don't want to do is snap that off in the hole, because that becomes a world of pain then. Which is why I hate using the damn things. Oh. My replacement gas cylinder, Zorro Tools, 12 quid. Delivered. Now, Zorro, if you go to them, they will, anything over 20 quid, the post free. So I had 12 quid for this, plus the postage, which was got up to about £15–16. had a code to get us 15% discount off it, but also with Zorro, if you place an order over 20 quid, you get post free. So I ordered 2 sockets to go with this. Total value of the order 21 quid, post free. So you save yourself £5 or £6 on the postage just by going up to 20 quid. Let's have a look and get deep down inside and get everything warmed up. Right, that's, as you can see, around the edge of that hole, we're getting this drilled out to. Now if worst comes to worst, we'll go in here with a little, something like a little thin screwdriver or whatever, and we'll knock that edge into the centre to start to alleviate the pressure. Come on. Got a tool just invented for the job. It's called a screwdriver. Try with a little centre punch, see what kind of get it in more. There we go. There's one coming out. You see there? Just started to get the thread to peel out. Now if we can get some of the thread out of the top and get that tap into the existing thread, we'll be able to cut that out of there. Okay. Right, as you can see, we eventually got that out. It's not the best hole in the world, but it does get a hold. Very long and tedious. Had to go right to the very bottom to get the last bit out. Right, let's have a look down the hole. That was coming out one piece at a time. See that crap coming out of it. There we go. Right down to the bottom. Threads are clean, they're just worn, that's all. Right, now number 2 and number 3. Then we've got 4 and 5. Right, so I'm going to switch you guys off here now. I'm going to crack on, we'll get these other 2 out. We'll get these 2 out and I'll bring you back when we're finished. Alright. that in there is a tap. Somebody's been in before, snapped a tap off in it, and now we've got to try and get the bugger back out. Right, let's get at it. Day one. I haven't gotten that out. Getting everything else out, give you a quick look. So getting those two out, that wasn't a problem. We're getting, which one was it? That one's been cleaned out. That one's cleaned out. Had the tap down, everything else. And then we came across this, which is a broken tap down the hole. Somebody broke that previously, as you see in the video. We're grinding it away slowly. We're getting, you can see we're making headway with it, but I've got a feeling it's not far off the bottom. So put it away.